Hi y'all. I'm replacing the rear wheels on my Ford tractor, Ford 801, and I've got some aftermarket rims on there, so I'm putting in new wheels and tires. But check this out. The Ford, the 800 has looks like three different sprockets or inner rim. They call them inner rims for the wheels, and that's the sprocket. Looks like a sprocket to me, but it attaches to these loops right here, and this one just happens to be about 24 inches, if I can get that right, between the center of the bolt right there. Okay, now check this out. There's like three different types. These are not the original wheels and tires that came with this tractor, but check it out. So in between here, and remember I had a lot of trouble on this wheel. It's all rusted, but over here, center to center is hang on, it's kind of hard to do. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, good. 8. Center to center is about hang on. About 15 inches. It's actually about 16. It's actually about 16 inches. Kind of hard to do with hang on, we'll get it right there. Okay, it's about 19 inches. Okay, so there's a 24, about a 19, and I ordered the 24 wheel because I wanted a 13 and a half, you know, wanted to try to match this one right here, which is about 13 and a half diameter, well, 14 and a half wheel or tire. But anyways, check it out right here. Here it's 21. See that? Right at about 20. It's actually 20. You know, if I bring that into the center of the bolt right there, it'll come out to about 20. So 19, 20, and 21 wheel centers or rim centers, whatever they call it, sprocket. All right, just a heads up, it's really setting me back. I can't really do much with the tractor gone. So I gotta fix it. I can't run it anymore. It's too dangerous now to run it with that flat. So you look right in here. Look at that up in there. It's all just rusted away. This thing could fail. And farming's one of the most hazardous professions out there. You gotta do a lot of stuff. Very dangerous. So I just ordered another. I ordered the rim center. Hopefully it'll match up. I ordered it on Amazon. There's not enough technical data on there, but I made sure that the pilot hole was 4.5 inches. See that? At least it'll hook up. At least it'll fit in there. And see what happens. All right. Just a quick heads up. Maybe a little difficult to replace your wheels and tires on your Ford 801 if you got a different setup. Something to keep in mind.